We listen and we don't judge.
I am so excited to give you guys another closet clean out. We are color coding. Love.
What was going through my brain?
You guys are missing the vlogs. I'm missing the vlogs. Let's get started. Hello, guys. Hello, hi. All summer I've been pretty much focusing on my series, Get Real, but we stopped the series to give you guys a vlog because trust me, I've seen the comments. You guys are missing the vlogs, I'm missing the vlogs. I have not cleaned out my closet since I moved to LA. I'm not even kidding. It's been a whole year since I cleaned out my closet. We are way overdue. If you guys have not been keeping up, obviously I'm in LA. Peep the palm trees and the view that I'm obsessed with. I made the loft space upstairs into my closet as well as my podcast room and office. She is multi-purpose. On the smaller side, but so pink. It is one of my favorite spaces I've created. But with all that being said, I do feel like my poor organization and lack of cleaning out my closet has made that adorable room not so cute. So here's the plan and here's the vision. Step one, we are just gonna get rid of pieces that have been hanging there for 6 months plus. Step two, we're gonna color coordinate. I did some digging on my past closet cleanouts and I wanted to learn from my past self what worked and what didn't. And I do have to say, what really worked for my ADHD when building outfits was color coordinating. I am so excited to give you guys another closet cleanout, so let's get started. All right, guys, so this is my upstairs closet. This has everything that I wear to go out in, to film content in, feel good vibes. This has like my work outfits, my going out outfits. Downstairs is just comfy cozy. But we do have some kind of organization. I'm gonna show you guys what we did. So here we have sweaters, here we have jackets, here we have long sleeves, here we have short sleeves, tank tops, dresses. And then down below, down here we have mini skirts, shorts, jeans, black pants, sweatpants, pattern pants, and then a bunch of matching sets. So we're not totally screwed with this. Like there is some kind of cohesion, but like I said, I'm trying to color coordinate all this all over again. And there is actually a lot in here that has just been sitting in here that I have not worn. Let's start cleaning this out. So to make this enjoyable for you guys, I'm just gonna speed this up real quick and take out everything I'm not gonna keep, and I'll show you guys what I'm getting rid of and why. She's itchy. No.
What was going through my brain?
I think I was thinking this would give Princess Diana with big earrings, but I see the vision, but no. I think this is Jules's. Jules gave this to me and I don't wear it. Oh my God, this is sad. But wait, this shows growth. Get rid of? Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. We're practicing detachment. I have a lot of memories in that sweater. I love my old man shirt. She's cute with like a slick back updo and a lot of earrings. We're keeping this. Get rid of. Get rid of. Try on pile. Keep.
We listen and we don't judge.
This is giving Kesha.
Because we are who we are.
It's from Wet Seal. We're gonna try her on. Definitely keep. Keep. Definite keep. I don't have anything this color in my closet. Adding to the try on pile. This has followed me from my OG closet during the pandemic. This is my cropped button down. This is an essential in my closet. I wear this under every sweater anytime I need a collar or anything showing from the top. That way I don't get overheated having to wear an actual long sleeve white button down underneath a sweater. This is my hack to layering. We are keeping her. We're gonna keep this. Try on pile. We're gonna try this on. I love the color. I'm not sure about the size of this. We're gonna try it on. Trying this on. Love this romper, but literally like wouldn't wear this out. Should I get rid of? Yeah. Someone else can have a fun night in this. Okay, we are making progress. All my clothes used to look really smushed together and cluttered. We have a gap, like we have space now. Keep. I've never worn this. Love this. Okay, we're gonna try this on. Love this. My old merch, Hot Girls Go to Vegas. Keep. Okay, we finally have moved on to dresses, but I just wanna show you guys how much we've gotten rid of so far. This is how much room I have in my closet. Like, this is the get rid of pile. I have so much space. Okay, now we're doing dresses. All of these are dresses. Can you believe? This is character development, guys. Remember, I'm not like the other girls. I don't wear dresses. Okay. Okay, so I have these like lace fitted
sheer dresses that are really cute. I'm not gonna keep both white. I'm gonna get rid of one of the white, especially with like fall coming up and living in a hot temperature state. Layering and wearing black lace is very like LA spooky. I'm getting a vision. We're gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this. Definite keep. This hanging up in my closet just makes my closet look really cute. So we're keeping this. I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I'm gonna keep this. Give it another 6 months. These are all the hangers of the things that I'm getting rid of. Look at this pile that I'm getting rid of. Look how tall it is. I'm gonna donate and I'm gonna also resell on Depop.
Okay, you guys know I haven't cleaned out my closet all year, but something I have not put off all year has been working out. And the tea is that I actually have a professional workout plan from an expert coach, all because of the Ladder app, which I cannot believe is the sponsor of this video. Because you guys are watching this video, you guys can get up to 33% off just by clicking the link in my description box. Also, after downloading it, you can start a 7-day free trial. So yeah, basically I've had access to professional workout plans from expert coaches without having a personal trainer, literally just from an app. My friends referred me to it. It has changed the game for me. I can't emphasize enough, it has been the reason I've been consistent because it is way more convenient than meeting up with a personal trainer, and it is obviously not as expensive. Also, I've seen way more results quicker. I used to just find workouts on the internet and think they were working, but I've only ever seen results and progress from having expert direction. A big reason I used to not work out is because I felt so overwhelmed. I didn't want to go to the gym and waste my time. And obviously I'm not a personal trainer, so I always felt like the workouts I was doing was a waste of time because how do we even know the workouts are right? How do we even know that the workouts are going to give me the results I want? How do I even know I'm doing them right? The app has made every gym session feel productive. And once you start seeing results, you stay consistent with the gym because you want to keep seeing more results. Obviously going to the gym is going to be discouraging if you're not getting the results you want. So this is a big reason I've stayed consistent. I'm so excited they're sponsoring this video. No matter what style of training you prefer, Ladder has everything. Whether you're a workout from home or gym girly like me, or you want to be a Pilates princess, there's a gym plan for you. Thanks again, Ladder app, for sponsoring this video. And again, you guys can get up to 33% off if you just click the link in my description. All right, let's get back to the closet clean out. All right, guys, it is the next day. It looks like a little runway. We are now going through everything that was in the try-on pile to see if I'm gonna keep or get rid of. All right, guys, so we're starting with these two blazers. I only need one. This railing comes in handy. I like this one. It has shoulder pads and it's like very oversized. I definitely want to keep this. There's no way I'm getting rid of this. So let's try on the other one. It doesn't have the shoulder pads, which I really love. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. All right, get rid of. I had a vision, but this is a get rid of for sure. This whole outfit's actually really cute. Cute, yay. This black V-neck.
Like it's like a good like pumpkin patch. Like
Pumpkin my assistant just said this is a good pumpkin patch fit. I like it. I fear I like it. I like this. We're gonna keep this. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of it. This is so hard because I feel like I'm re-falling back in love with pieces, but I want to give it to someone else. Get rid of. Love. Keep. All right, guys, last but not least, these high-waisted light wash pants. Are you ready? Drum roll. Keep. I got rid of 10 pieces from the I don't know pile, and I'm keeping 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God, I had 20 pieces even, and I'm getting rid of 10, and I'm keeping 10. We did good. Now we're gonna organize, color code, and make the closet look aesthetic. All right, guys, it's the fun part. We are color coding. I got hangers for my bottoms. They're gonna look so much nicer. I've actually had an issue. This is how I've previously hung my pants. I mean, it's efficient, it works, but they fall, and it makes my closet look really messy, so we're not doing that anymore. Time lapse, cue the time lapse.
bottom looks good.
Yay. All right, guys, we are done with the closet clean out. I want to show you guys how I organized this. I'm really proud of it. This is the most organized my closet has ever been. Here we have color coordination, and we also have it organized by garment. So I just thought it would be easier to put all my jackets on one side because as I'm getting dressed, this is like the last thing I find for my outfit. So I just put them all over here and I color coded that from black to white. But then starting here where the red is where all of my outfits start. So this is obviously the red section, the pink section, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, Roy G. Biv, you know. And then per colored section, we always start with a dress, long sleeves, then short sleeves. And that's just kind of how it goes. We always have the section starting with a dress. The yellow section, we have this dress, and then we have long sleeve, and then we have short sleeves. If I'm building an outfit and I want a yellow top, I know to go to the yellow section. Is it cold? Is it hot? Oh, it's cold out? Bingo, here's the long sleeve. You know what I mean? I need a white top for layering? Okay, here's the white section. I don't need a dress. Oh, this would work for layering. Okay, found it. Bingo. Even though I wanted my closet to look pretty, I feel like the number one goal was definitely efficient for making outfits. Now I'm gonna show you guys the bottom row. Okay, so obviously I didn't color coordinate the pants. I went by style of pant, and within the section, I color coordinated it from black to denim. Okay, so let's use my shorts for example. It starts with black, it goes to white, and then we put patterns on the end. So down here with my capris, we went from black to white to print. All the way back here are all my matching sets, and this is color coordinated. Red set, pink set, orange set, yellow sets. You get the point. All right, guys, that was my closet clean out. I'm so excited and motivated to bring you guys more fashion content. Also, if you guys haven't been watching, I have a series called Get Real on this channel, and I actually just had my first guest. We literally filmed it right here. Be sure to check out my new episode of Get Real and comment down below any vlogs or fashion videos you guys want to see or any guests you want to see on my series. Subscribe, press the bell, follow me on all my socials, TikTok and Instagram and Snapchat. Definitely see everything first. But I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.